In today's video, I want to guide you on how to download and install iCloud on your Windows PC. By default, iCloud is an Apple product, but you can enjoy that on your Windows laptop. Very simple and easy. So come to this start menu, click on it. Here you should see Microsoft Store. And if Microsoft Store is not displayed here, come to this place and type in Microsoft Store. Then you see this spot in Microsoft Store, click on it. Once you click on it, come to this chat bar here, type in iCloud. Then click on this iCloud. You can see it's with the official Apple iCloud. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have something like this. In your own, it might be get or install. Then as well, you can take your time and see one or two things here. So because on my own is get, so click on get. Once you click on get, wait for it to download and install on your device. And the time it takes to download this program on your device varies depending on the network of your location. So you have to wait for it to fully download and install on your device. Now that I've downloaded and installed fully on your device, click on open button. Now here you need to provide your login details, your Apple ID and password. Now once you provide your Apple ID and password, they need to verify your account. So enter the verification code sent to your iPhone. Once you tap on OK on your iPhone. Now that I've provided those information, then you have access to this place. Now you see your iCloud, your photo, your contacts. These are optional. This is what you can do. Then you have this save pass key. So I want to remove this, not to save this pass key on my device. Once you see what you want to do here, then click on apply. So you can see that it's setting up our Outlook. So you have to wait a few seconds for this to fully download and set up our device for use. Don't forget that this is on Windows PC, not on Apple device. Now this has been set successfully. Then click on done here, then click on close. So with this, guys, you'll be able to install your iCloud on your Windows PC. So let's open iCloud again. We have the iCloud app here. So and that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon on our next video.